Mobile device notifications can be very useful. Mobile device notifications can be very aggravating. I turn off all of the notifications for all of these different apps that I use, except for the ones that are really important. Or I only leave on the badge notifications, like the message has a 5, the email is 11, and under LinkedIn, you can see under LinkedIn I have 2, Sales Navigator I have 24. I leave those on for the important ones, but I turn off everything else for the apps that are not critical to me. Let me show you how to do this. Under Apple stuff, for me, this is where I put my settings. I go to settings. In settings, go to notifications. In notifications, I can decide how I want the notifications to show up, count, stack, list. I can also go to each individual device. Let me go down here to Quora, and I can go look at Quora. And you can see on Quora, I have allow notifications, but I only have it showing up as a badge, which means a number on the Quora icon. I don't let it show up in my lock screen, I don't let it show up in my notification center, and I don't let it be a banner. I only have it show up as a badge, number on the Quora icon. So make a decision what you want to see. Furthermore, you can go into Quora if you want to, and you can decide what kind of notifications you want overall. These notifications, by the way, will also show up in the Quora app on web browser, which I want to see those in the Quora app in the web browser, but I don't want to see them. Let me go back to settings here. I don't want to see them on my iPhone or mobile app, except in this case, I leave badges on. Make a decision what you want to see by application. Make a decision how you want them to display so that you get the best value from these apps and you minimize the notifications that are not overly important. I'm Teddy Burris. I hope this is helpful for you.